level 1 factoring. So these are all examples of level 1 factoring because we have no coefficient in front of the x squared term. So it's just a 1 out there. So we don't have to write it. Okay, so if you've got a 1 out there, it's level 1 factoring. Okay, so let's start with this first one. G of x equals x squared minus 9x plus 18. Okay, so we need to think of two numbers that multiply to get 18 and add to get negative 9. So the best way to do that is to list out the factors of 18 and keep an eye out for ones that may add to negative 9. Okay, I think I've come across two that might add to negative 9. And if I make them both negative, they'll add to negative 9 and multiply to positive 18. So we can say that this is x minus 3, x minus 6. So there's our answer. Let's try it again. We need to find two numbers that multiply to get negative 24 and add to get negative 2. Alright, here we go. We've got an interesting one here. 6 and 4, they add to 10, but I know that I need one of the numbers to be negative because this is negative 24. Okay, so if I make this 6 negative, now a negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. X minus 6 and x plus 4. I encourage you to check both of these by FOILing them out. Now, if I had to find the zeros of this function, I'd set it equal to 0. Let's do that over here. Now I know that one of these has to equal 0 in order for the product to be 0. So I can try them both. X minus 6 equals 0. No, x equals 6. And then for this one, x plus 4 equals 0. So I know that if I subtract 4 from both sides, I get x equals negative 4. So my zeros are 6, 0, and negative 4, 0. Try this one out on your own.